Having a dog is one of the most amazing things on earth. Dogs provide companionship and unconditional love. And they are always happy to see us. They are also great at providing moral support. And they can always make us smile. Owning a dog is definitely inspirational. And it's a great way to improve our lives. When you eat strawberry ice cream, you feel like you can do anything. The world is your oyster. And you're ready to take on whatever challenges come your way. You feel confident and optimistic. And you're ready to make a difference in the world. Working out with friends is one of the most amazing things on earth. It is motivational, fun, and a great way to spend time with friends. When you are working out with friends, you can encourage each other to push harder and have more fun. You can also make new friends while working out.